Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log out from your Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to sign out or log out from your Oculus app, you need to tap open the app itself. So once you have tapped open the app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the menu option. So once you have tapped on the menu bar, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on scroll to the bottom of the page. There you can find the sign out option, so simply hit the sign out and then tap on the logout option. After this step is also completed, you will be logged out or signed out from your Oculus account, and now to re-enter you need to log in back by typing in the credentials. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.